Hey everyone, and I've got to tell you, something wild is happening down at the US-Mexico border. I was scrolling through X last night, and all anyone can talk about is how engineers are out there with heavy machinery, turning the border into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're talking excavators, cranes, and concrete mixers working overtime to slap up barriers that are tougher than ever. I had to dig into this because it's not just construction, it's a whole new vibe.
We had a couple barriers that you drove the camera on, and we pointed it that way.
So, here's what's up. Recent reports from places like Engineering News Record say crews are hammering away at over 150 miles of new border walls since January. These aren't flimsy fences either. Picture 30-foot steel slabs bolted into the ground, backed by concrete foundations that could stop a tank. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is running the show, using tricks they've honed on military bases to wrestle with the desert's crazy terrain. I mean, they're out there in Texas and Arizona, battling sandstorms and rocky hills like it's no big deal, all to keep illegal crossings on lockdown.
Oh, that's fucking perfect. Always good.
Yeah, that's not bad. I thought you were learning over here. Yeah, that's not bad.
That's fucking
Sergeant Bretto.
Hey, Sergeant Bretto.
Posts on X are popping off with videos of over 100 excavators tearing up the dirt, their engines roaring like a pack of lions. These beasts are digging trenches, hauling steel, and pouring concrete faster than you'd believe. Task Force Barrier, the group steering this chaos, has it down to a science. They're not just building walls, they're sealing up low-water crossings with concrete slabs and rigging floodlights to catch anyone dumb enough to try sneaking through at night. It's like watching a live-action engineering documentary.
They have blown up countless mountains and
the construction guys contact us.
And the results are bonkers. Border Patrol's latest numbers showed just 29,000 folks nabbed crossing illegally in February, way down from the insane 2 million plus busts back in 2023. The New York Post even ran a piece about El Paso turning into a ghost town after last year's migrant riots. Those gotaways who used to slip by, down 90% since Trump took office, per Border Patrol Chief Michael Banks. It's hard to argue with that kind of drop when you've got steel and concrete staring you down.
Look at la migra over there. Please, no, maletín, maletín. Maletín. Look at la migra over there. Please, no, maletín, maletín. Maletín. Please, no, maletín, maletín. Maletín.
But here's the flip side people are buzzing about. Some say this heavy machinery frenzy is overkill. The Washington Post noted troops are out there too, over 3,000 of them, standing watch with barely anyone to catch. Critics on X are griping about billions spent and desert ecosystems getting trashed. Fair point, but then you've got folks cheering how quiet border towns are now. It's a messy debate, and I'm just here soaking it all in, wondering what's next for this engineering epic. Stay tuned, because this border story's got legs.
The border become hyper-militarized. In
Of a group of migrants attempting to enter the U.S. illegally. Under strict
and every day there would be 3, 4. I was horrified.
The crisis at the U.S.-Mexico border is reaching a dangerous new level. Smugglers are now facing a surge in illegal crossings.